Thompson yn clirio. Bennett da gan Roberts. Hwna yn cael ei methu gan Pete, Jamie Breeze, mae rownd o golwr. Thompson, mae'n di weld cerdyn coch yma yma. Di tynnu Jamie Breeze i nawr, a dim o Melin mae'n gael. O, mae hwnna'n adleuol dros ben. A dwi'n meddwl fydd Caernarfon a Sonrich yn apus ar penderfyniad yna. Fyny tuag at Rittenberg. Craig ymlaen i Brookwell, then Troy Simpson. Simpson di llithro. Brookwell ar as ag at y Cwrt Cosby. Heibio Pete. Heibio'n arall. Danny Brookwell, Jamie Breeze, mae'n cam sefyll. Waith. Rhagorol gan Brookwell. Yr ergyd. Gael ei harbed gan Thompson. Olio Jamie Breeze yn cam sefyll. A Tywen ei ddwy fraich i fyny. Ar gig gornel. Tuag at Ashton arbeniad. A mae Neil Ashton gyda 19 munud o'r hanner cyntaf weddill i sgorau gyntaf o'r tymor. Ac yn bwysicach byth. Mae di roi derwyddon cefn ar y blaen yma ar y graig. Rittenberg i Mwdimu allan i Piskorski. Yn camu ar draws Nathan Craig. Yn y Cwrt Cosby, Piskorski ar ergyd. Yn gyntaf o'r postyn. Tu ôl i'r gol. Ashton bas da i Rittenberg. Tu mewn i Jordan Evans. Owen, lle ymlaen y Cwrt Cosby. Owen ar droi de. Mi o Ramsey'n llonydd. Ond y lwcus iddo fo. Mi ath i heibio'r postyn. Williams. Tu mewn i Breeze. Ar ei droed chwith. Dyn ni mewn tuag at Brookwell. Brookwell. O Thomas ar draws y gilydd. No Edwards ar ergyd. Thompson ar arbediad. A Pete yn clirio. Williams i Breeze. Ar ei droed chwith ar ergyd. Bron i giro Thompson. Drwy gorff. Ac yn ffodus iddo fo. Allan am gic gornel ar Athi. A ni di gefn y rwyd. William Gyrchol yn sydyn gan Ramsey cyffyrddiad da gan Brookwell yn y Cwrt Cosby. Ar draws mae Pete. O mae Danny Brookwell wedi gwasgu hwnna i mewn. Ar y postyn agosa. Mae'r cofis yn gyfartal. O un panicau i'r llall. Un cyffyrddiad gan Brookwell mewn i'r Cwrt Cosby. A Taran ergyd yn curo Thompson. Bradley nôl i Joe Williams. Groesiad oedd i mewn tuag at y post mae'n disgyn i Maher cael ei chlirio. Craig nôl i'r Cwrt Cosby mae'n mynd tuag at Ben Maher. Edwards ar foli no Edwards bron o dwyllau'r golwr. Ac ennill y gêm i Gaernarfon. Ond Thompson yn dal i afal ar bêl. Bron o ddisgyn i mewn gyda'r bêl dros y llinell.
Hyw, hapus o'na yn diwedd y pwynt?
Ni ti ennill y gêm, ond falle oedd hwnna'n y canlyniad teg i dweud y gwir yn diwedd, ond ar ôl mynd gol i fyny, amddiffyn yn well na bydd ddaru ni, ond mae pwynt, mae'n symud ni ymlaen ac yn ôl at y gêm nesaf yma rwan.
Sean, you fought back well in the second half. Disappointed not to take 3 points home?
Yeah, we are. I think as a group it's a measure about where we've come. I think we've dominated the second half. You know, the first half I think was fairly even. I think both teams were trying to suss each other out, but I think once we settled, I felt personally we played some good football. We asked a lot of questions of them. We 1-0 down obviously at the end of the first half, a free header, so we're going to have a look at that. Second half we played really well. We were attacking from all angles, and credit to the keeper, he's pulled off a couple of good saves there. And I thought a point was probably the very least that we deserved. You know, fair play to Hughes, come up to at the end and wish us all the best. But yeah, maybe a little bit disappointed, but to come to Druids and get a point, you know, I think it's a good result.
You mentioned the keeper there. On 9 minutes, he brought Jamie Breeze down on the edge of the box. In your opinion, was that a red card?
I thought it was initially. I've asked a question at half-time, and apparently they were covering defenders round, but my argument is if there's no contact, Jamie Breeze rolls the ball into the net. So for me, it's denying an obvious goal-scoring opportunity for me. Dean hasn't seen it that way. I've asked him at half-time and he said there was defenders coming round. He said 2. I think Nick said 1 defender was coming round, so I think we're all guessing, to be fair. But listen, he's given the yellow card. You know, thankfully it didn't deter us. You know, from what we were doing, we were knocking it about really well. But you know, they go down to 10 men there. You know, obviously I think a third choice keeper coming on as well, because you know obviously Michael Jones is out. You know, we probably pepper the goal a little bit more than what we did, but it's one of them decisions. He's given a yellow card, we got on with it, and we've performed really well, I think, over the 90 minutes.
Pwynt, da chi wedi gael hyn o, da chi dal teg at wylod y tabl. Be mae'n di gymryd fel carfan rwan i ddod allan o'r sefyllfa lle ydych chi'n?
Mae rhaid ni ti ennill. Mae'r perfformiad yn digon da ar y funud, does na neb yn mynd lawr ydy'r beth fel yna. Does na neb di curo ni, o'r cweirir ni. O un gol, da ni di colli gyd o gem yma, so rhaid ni'n neud siŵr bod ni'n ar y ffordd arall o'r 1-0 result yma. Ond na, dwi wedi chwarae'n dda ar degau heddiw, ond maen nhw'n tîm da. Mae gen nhw lot o cyflymder, mae gen nhw lot o bobl fawr a beth fel yna, a nhw'n neud yn rhaid da.